anymore. On some of my videos, I might do a few dances, do stuff with my pets, and stuff that I might do with you guys. Oh, we should have to meet and greet, but like, I don't know when I'm gonna host a meet and greet. Oh my guys, I'm gonna have this account till I'm like a fully grown adult. I'll stop singing, dancing for you guys. Let's stop showing them. Yeah, I might do like a few stuff that includes my face, like, I don't know, some Syrian stuff, because I don't have any masks for Syrians. I think I have like a few, but I think I lost them, so now I can't find them anymore. So I have to make them out of clay, and it's not really that good if it's made out of clay, it's going to break easily. I might do a few things about fairies. I might do a few weird videos playing with scooters. Might show you how to make slime, like that other video that has about almost 6k views. I'm really thankful for that video. And guys, can you get me viral along with my other account and my cousin's account? My cousin's account is Marley Nichols. That's what it's called, Marley Nichols. She has about, I don't know, like, somewhere near 43 subscribers. I love her so much. She is the best cousin in the world. And these are my top 3 cousins. Marley is my number 1. My little cousins. Both my little cousins. Who are some of their names? Harry and Hollow. Harry is the younger one. 3 months old. Hollow is 3 years old. My cousin, I think 11 or 10 years old. Sorry guys, that I cannot remember my cousin's name. By the way, just correct me. If you're my cousin, just correct me. In the comments, if they're on. This one's so sticky, I need to fix it. I don't have any activator. Well, I do, but it's kind of run out. It's a little bit more left. And I like, don't know what to say for the rest of this video. If this is sped up, just tell me in the comments and I might make a redo of this video. I want to do some pet stuff because I got new pets, 2 new pets. Rats, 2 rats. They're so freaking cute. I can barely get them out right now. They're little rebels, right? And my little babies, my children. Oh, I need to get slime off my hands. It's on my work. Don't ask why I don't have a bed. Okay? Just gonna cover that. I don't know what to cover it with. Can't get the slime off my hands. I'll make a few videos just in about of my pets. They're sold to Marley Nichols. So MARLENICHOLLS. Go sub to them. They're the best YouTuber in the world. I haven't seen her for a while, but I think I'm gonna have a sleepover with her soon, which is exciting. I'm gonna make a few